Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to receive updates. Today we have a video on rafting at Kullu. We were a group of 37 traveling from Trivandrum to Shimla and then to Manali via Kullu. 3 cabs and 2 tempo travelers were there. We started at around 9 am from the Grand White Hotel at Shimla. The distance from Shimla to Manali is around 250 kilometers. At Kullu, we stopped at 807 Rafting and Paragliding Activity Center. The rafting activity is done at Beas River and paragliding will be done at a distance. As the wind was not favourable, we could complete the rafting only. For both activities, we will be taken on their cars. Rafting package comes as 6 kilometers, 9 kilometers and 12 kilometers with a rate starting at Rs 4,500 per raft. We were 7 and took the 6 kilometer one on a single raft. On an additional payment of Rs 1,000, we will get video and photos of rafting shot on GoPro. We will not be able to carry our mobiles or camera as it can get wet and damaged. Mr. Sanjay was rowing our raft.
गणपति बाप्पा कैसा लग रहा है राफ्टिंग हिप हिप गणपति हेलो 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 कैसा लग रहा है राफ्टिंग सुपर वीडियो कैसा लगा? King! Hip hip! गणपति बाप्पा मंगल मूर्ति मजा आया ना मेरे साथ हेलो
Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, share and comment. We'll meet soon with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.
बाय बाय